if we think about it, this idea of a bird needs two wings, wisdom and compassion, it really is covering all aspects of our practice, And what does that mean? Well, the wisdom wing is putting yourself together, knowing how to take care of yourself, not in the way that we tend to think, having a massage and a sleep. Yeah, that's all part of it. But from the Buddhist perspective, it means knowing your own mind well, harnessing the energy of your body, speech, and mind. Who is the beneficiary? You are. And then on the basis of this, you've got the compassion wing, which is to help others. So it's pretty clear you can't help anyone if you don't know how to help yourself first, basically. If you want to help people with nutrition, if you don't know how to do it for yourself, you're lost. You can just go around and you confuse people. So the wisdom wing is so important, and this is where you put yourself together. It's the nuts and bolts of all the Buddha's teachings, controlling your behavior, harnessing this energy, body and speech, and then your mind, being your own therapist, as Lamia says, And the more you do this, the more happy you become, the less fearful and neurotic, and therefore the more useful you others, because you're breaking down the barrier between this poor me and everybody else, Then you have more courage, you see things differently, you have more courage, and you're able to be useful to others and yourself. So practical.